In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Google Ads keywords. Starting out with Google Ads can be an exhilarating journey into the world of online marketing. Whether you're a business owner looking to drive more traffic to your site, or a digital marketer seeking to enhance your campaign's performance, understanding how to navigate and utilize your Google Ads is absolutely crucial. Today, we're zeroing in on a critical aspect of this platform, finding and understanding your keywords. First things first, you need to get to the right place. To do this, you will start on the overview page of Google Ads. It's here that you will begin your journey into the depths of your campaign's analytics and performance data, among which lies the treasure trove of your chosen keywords. Once you find yourself on the overview page, look for a section or a tab that mentions audiences, keywords, and content. This area is where Google Ads aggregates the core elements that define where and how your advertisements appear online. Clicking on this will take you a step closer to uncovering the specific keywords you're currently bidding on or have used in the past. After clicking on Audiences, Keywords and Content, your next step will be to find and click on the Search Keywords option. This is where the magic happens and you begin to see the keywords that form the backbone of your Google Ads campaigns. These are the words and phrases that potential customers type into Google, triggering your ads to appear in search results. Reaching the search keywords section is your gateway to understanding not just what keywords you're currently using, but also how they're performing. The performance of your keywords is pivotal to understanding the effectiveness of your Google Ads campaigns. It can show you which keywords are driving traffic to your site, which ones are leading to conversions, and which ones might be costing you money without delivering any real value. Now that you're in the right place, here you see your keywords, as they say. This is where you'll spend some time analysing your keywords. Examine the list carefully, don't rush through it. Look at your keywords' performance metrics, understand their search volumes, and consider their relevance to your ads and landing pages. Are they as effective as you hoped? Could some be improved or replaced? This analysis will be a key factor in optimizing your campaigns for better performance. Remember, the world of Google Ads is dynamic. Keywords that performed well yesterday might not do the same today due to changes in search trends, competition, or consumer behavior. Hence, regularly checking your keywords and their performance is not just recommended, it's essential for staying ahead in the game. This process of finding and analysing your keywords within Google Ads isn't just a one-time activity. It should be a part of your routine Google Ads maintenance. It helps you stay informed about how your chosen keywords are contributing to your campaign's objectives, whether that's increasing visibility, driving traffic, or generating sales. To wrap up, remember that the effectiveness of your Google Ads campaign is closely tied to the keywords you choose and how well you monitor and tweak them based on their performance. By following the steps we've outlined today, you're not just looking at a list of words, you're peering into the heart of your campaign, discovering opportunities for optimization, and laying the groundwork for your future success. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to view your Google Ads keywords. This insight into your campaigns opens up a plethora of opportunities to refine and enhance your advertising efforts. So, go ahead. Dive into your Google Ads account and start this insightful journey into the world of keywords. Happy optimizing!